This is Satya Pradyuman of Cirrus Research. The latest issue of the Industry Outliers is just out. In this report, we focus on the downstream beneficiaries of the massive AI spend. The title, Follow the AI Money, AI Spend to Drive Data Centers. In looking at a basket of data center firms, we've been able to construct an index on the revenues, the sales growth data. And when we look at it, we do see that this basket of firms have massively benefited during the pandemic as access to online remote work has really went into full-blown demand. What we've seen since then, though, is a fairly steady slowdown in the growth in this area. If we look forward, however, given the over $1 trillion spent on AI development in the last couple of years, a number of industry forecasts, including McKinsey, suggest that these numbers are now, the forecast for revenue growth will probably be between 10, 12, 14%. Our guess is it's probably even somewhat higher when we look at the Census Bureau data on the construction of data centers. That number's up recently over 48%. So we foresee that this is a downstream beneficiary as firms begin to launch AI applications. When we look at market participants, this basket is up about 27% in the last 6 months. In fact, when you look at the broader infrastructure build out, alternative energy bins such as nuclear, the nuclear index is up even more. So this idea about downstream beneficiaries, I think, are front and center, especially as NVIDIA's sales begin to decelerate. If we take a closer look at the fundamentals, the valuations of this data center basket, what we'll notice is that they're generally high. In fact, the current levels are about 11 times EV to sales. That said, these are lower than the peak levels we had seen back in the pandemic days of where that number was around 14. Our suspicion is the multiples are high, they're going to stay high, and they'll probably accelerate from here. Take a look at the full report and for the full sample of the firms in our basket. As always, with any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.